Hey guys, as promised, we came back to the rabbit hole, to show you a bit more, the rabbit hole park, where it looks very exciting. And yes, as promised, we are gonna jump on the train. We're gonna jump on the train and take you around the whole park. So if you're ready, let's go. So we're about to enter the train. This is the man driving the train. There he is, Sawadee. Let me show you. So this one here is the actual train. There it is. And there's our driver. Being the toy master, we gotta jump on the trains and go for a ride. So let's go. Guys, we're about to jump on the train. Okie dokie, here we go. We're on that train. We are on that train. Let's go train. What's good is, guys, and you guys know Uncle Maz, I'm always taking people back to their childhood. So guys, if you've never been on a kids train track before, we're on one now. So let's go. I'll show you the other side so you see what's going on here. Got a beautiful waterfall here. The landscape is quite incredible, guys. Remember yesterday I was showing you this? And there's Mr. Rabbit. Roger Rabbit. That's the cafe where everyone, after finishing this great tour, oh look at this. Rabbit Park. Rabbit Circus. Hope you guys enjoying the train. We're actually cruising around. Oh look at this, here. Alright. Donkeys. Oh, Donkey from Shrek. And you've got, oh look at this, all different pieces. We're moving, guys, we're actually on course now. There it is, the lake. Beautiful lake. There's the boats. Oh, look at that, almost got whacked out by the wheel. There's a zip line just up the top there. Enjoying it, guys, enjoying. I hope you guys are enjoying, and I hope you guys are enjoying. So as you can see, we're taking everybody with us on tour, Thailand, and just a bit of update on our movie that we're doing. It's going to be exciting, family fun movie. Don't want to say too much, but it's going to be really exciting. It's talking about families, brothers and sisters, how they face problems in the world and how they make decisions. What decisions they make affect their lives. So hopefully we'll make good decisions. But continuing on, there it is, boys. A lovely lake. Still on the train here. Are you guys enjoying it? Are we all enjoying it? Yes! Phuket and beyond, look at that. There's another big walk up the top there. Oh, look at this guy. How you going, dude? He's been kicking back, relaxing for a few years. You got the walk upstairs. So what it is, folks, it's an adventure park that you can do a few things in it, and it's very good for the kids. So while you're enjoying nature itself, the kids are enjoying everything, and it's a place to be for kids and bigger kids. Check out the huts. Oh wow, look, someone's falling asleep. Just working back up. Here we are, folks. There's a bridge. It's not the harbour bridge, but it's a bridge. It's a bridge from A to B. There's a beautiful lake there. Good morals. And for doing all that, you get rewarded. Isn't that good? That's good. That's good. It's a win-win-win-win situation. As you can see, all the tourists here on holidays bringing in lovely views. Hello. Look, I always say it, folks. Thailand is very known for a lot of things. Oh, we're going downhill. Whoa. Alright guys, I hope you've enjoyed the train ride. I hope you enjoyed the rabbit hole park. Stay with us for more to come. Love you all from Uncle Maz here in Thailand, Phuket. Mwah. Have a lovely day. I hope you enjoyed the rabbit hole park. Stay with us. Love you all from Uncle Maz here in Thailand, Phuket. Have a lovely day.